Hey everyone, sorry how long it's taken for me to post a new video. I feel like I'm a broken record and I keep saying that every time I post a new video on this Living in a Prius channel. But things have been really busy. I've been working more than 80 hours a week, hyper focused on getting Amenity Suites, my apartment brand, launched, and the AI tech startup stuff that I've been working on. But now I've got this new video format that I'm trying where I can do much quicker videos. The reason it's taken me so long is because as I've been busy with work, it takes me hours to shoot the videos and take pictures and compile them into like a 5 or 10 minute clip for this channel. And so I decided I should do what a lot of people that post on YouTube do, which is just try to do more quick, spontaneous videos so that we can interact more and you can see more about what's going on. I can answer your questions better because I've got a lot of questions that I'm going to be getting to soon that people have been asking as you posted questions and responses to the videos. So anyway, let's try this format. I know that over the next couple of videos, I'll be working out some of the kinks, so I apologize if the audio isn't the greatest right now, but just bear with me. And thank you for continuing to watch these videos again, as it's been so long between posts. But with this format, hopefully I can be a lot more responsive to questions that you have and requests that you have for information. So today what I want to do is talk about something that I'm passionate about, which is artificial intelligence. And you may be saying, wait a minute, I tuned in here to hear about car living. I don't want to hear about your artificial intelligence stuff. But what I'm going to do is tell you how artificial intelligence can help you if you're living in your car, if you're car camping, or if you're just traveling a lot, or if you just want a really cool, amazing, powerful artificial intelligence tool to help you in your daily life. And so what I'm going to talk to you about today is ChatGPT. If you haven't already heard about this, you need to, because I can say without hesitation, it is the most powerful tool that humans have ever created. It's the most advanced artificial intelligence that exists, and it's powered by the world's most powerful supercomputers. And it's basically a program you can chat with that has the knowledge of the internet. So it's like having a best friend who's somehow this crazy savant who knows everything about everything and can answer any question you have, give you feedback as a business assistant, a personal assistant, a buddy. It's really showcases what got me excited about artificial intelligence, which is the practical application. So what I want to show you today is a little bit about ChatGPT and how you can use it. Anybody can use it as a powerful tool, free tool, or specifically how you can use it if you're living in your car or car camping or just traveling a lot and spending a lot of time in your car. So let's dive in here real quick. So ChatGPT is provided by an organization called OpenAI, which is a nonprofit in Silicon Valley. It was initially funded by Elon Musk. Now its big partner is Microsoft. But since it started out as a nonprofit, ChatGPT is completely free and it's easy to find. Just go to Google and type in ChatGPT. Try to speak and type at the same time, and all one word, ChatGPT. It's going to be the first link that pops up unless there's like sponsored advertisements. Just scroll down and find ChatGPT by OpenAI. That's what you're looking for. And when you click on, it'll go to a sign up. I'm already signed up, so it goes directly to ChatGPT. But if you weren't signed up, it would just go to a simple sign up page. Again, it's free. There's a paid tier, so I'm a tech geek, so I spend $20 a month for their like paid tier level with a bunch of other features. But for the average person, the free version is going to be way more than you'll need. And so just sign up for free. It's secure and free. And this is what you get. I'll show you here what this is all about. So ChatGPT, again, is a chat program. It's called generative AI, so it generates responses to your questions. You just got a little message box down here. You can type things in. And to give you an example how powerful and intelligent this thing is, earlier I did a search, and it saves all your searches over here. You can even archive them if you want to. But here I did, when I was getting ready to do this video, I just went on ChatGPT and said, I want to create a video showing people how to use ChatGPT in helpful ways if they are living in their car. What are some benefits that people living in their car can get from using ChatGPT? Makes sense given this channel and the fact that I wanted to show a video about ChatGPT. And within a split second, I mean less than a fraction of a second, it gave me this 15-point response on the benefits that you can get if you're living in your car, and this applies to even if you're car camping or traveling a lot, that you can get from using ChatGPT. And this is just applying it to this one narrow question that I asked this. But to give you an example of how intelligent it is, listen to how it responded. Again, thinking about and formulating and writing this response in less than a fraction of a second, it said, people in their living in their cars can benefit from using ChatGPT in various ways to improve their quality of life and make their situation more manageable. I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but it says point number one, access to information. ChatGPT can provide information on essential services like nearby shelters, food banks, public restrooms, and safe parking spots. I mean, if you're living in your car or car camping, that's what we're looking for all the time. And I can tell you, it's true what it's saying that it can do. Because again, it's like having an assistant or a friend that's always just a text away to answering any question that you have. It's truly amazing. Like for instance, I asked another couple test questions like, well, what if I got a flat tire in my Prius and I've never changed a tire in a Prius before? I asked it, how do I replace the flat tire in my Prius? And it went down and broke it down into 6 steps, including like you might want to find a pair of gloves and a flashlight if you need it. And it tells you exactly how to go through and replace a tire, how I would go through and replace the tire on my Prius. I asked it also just out of curiosity, well, what if I need a jump start? How do I jump start a Prius? And again, it went through step by step telling me how specifically for my Prius I would go through and jump start my car. And again, in this chat interface, you just go down to the bottom where it says message ChatGPT and ask it anything. And one of the cool things I like that even if you've heard of ChatGPT, you may not know about is that you can get this on your phone. And so let me show you that because if obviously if you're living in your car or traveling a lot or car camping, you may not have good service or it may not be convenient to get your laptop out or a tablet out, but you've always got your phone. You usually have phone service. And so if you put the ChatGPT app on your phone, and I'll show you, I've got Android, so I use the Google Play Store. This is available also for iPhones, but just to show you through the Android, the Google Play Store, how it's, didn't finish typing all the way. The Android App Store, I'll show you how easy it is to download this. You just go to the store, like always, do a search for what you're looking for, put in chat GPT, do this after you've signed up online, so you've already got an account. Once you sync it with your phone, download this program and sync it with your phone, you'll be good to go. But just look for the chat GPT by OpenAI, install it on your device, and what you're going to get is a program on your phone that's like having a chat app, but at the other end is the most intelligent and powerful computer, artificial intelligence ever built that can answer any question you ever want. So whether you're in an emergency situation and need to fix a flat tire, or whether you're just sitting at home and curious about the winning history of your favorite football team over the last 30 years, this thing can answer anything because again, it gets its information from the entire internet and runs on the most powerful computers that exist today. So I thought this is an amazing tool. It's stuff like this that gets me excited about artificial intelligence and the focus I have in my new career. So I wanted to share this with you. And I do want to mention that now that I've got this new format where I can more quickly do videos, I will get around very soon to answering some of your questions that you've posted in the question and comments section. Like for instance, in my last video or the one before that, I mentioned that I was going to talk about dealing with humidity in your car and mold. I found mold in my car a while back and it was surprising, a bit shocking because I'd been sleeping in my car night after night for a year. And I realized that mold could be a big issue in a car. I figured out how to identify it, find it, and deal with it. So I'll be posting videos about that. If you're on this channel looking specifically for how-to information on living or car camping in your car, and then also if you have any other questions about anything, please continue to post them in the comments section. I'll be catching up on those responding to those comments and questions soon and get back on track with trying to be more responsive. Again, now that I can do this in 5 or 10 minutes instead of 3 or 4 hours, I can be much better at keeping up to date with you and connecting with you, because I love connecting with people on this channel, and having this relationship with you where you get to ask me questions, I get to respond, and we get to learn about new things together. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks.